and the brand couldn't get credit for it fast enough. A 2021 Cadillac CT5 premium luxury is averaging $26,000 to $28,000 used. A comparable BMW 5 Series from the same year is up at $38,000 to $40,000. That's over $10,000 spread for two cars that are mechanically closer in quality than the price suggests. The CT5 rides on a genuine rear-wheel drive platform with the twin-turbo V6 in the premium luxury trim putting down 335 horsepower, and the cabin materials are a real step up from the CTS it replaced. Soft touch everywhere it matters, a 10-speaker Bose system as standard. Consumer Reports has flagged some infotainment glitches, but nothing structural. GM spent a decade rebuilding Cadillac's reputation, and dealers are still discounting like it's 2015. That gap won't last once word gets out. What's easy to miss is how far Cadillac's chassis engineering has actually come. The CT5's underpinnings share DNA with the CT4 V Blackwing program, which is a genuine performance halo car, and that engineering trickles down into how the base CT5 rides and handles. Consumer Reports' concerns are almost entirely centered on the infotainment software, which GM has continued to patch via updates, not on drivetrain durability. Parts and service costs also come in meaningfully lower than German rivals, since Cadillac dealerships are far more common than BMW or Mercedes specialists in most parts of the country, and routine maintenance doesn't carry the import parts markup. If GM's brand recovery ever fully catches up with the product, this is the car that stops being a secret first. Number 1. Genesis G80. If you only remember